All right, today we're taking a look at the Plaud AI Pin, a tiny wearable device that claims to record conversations, transcribe them instantly, and turn everything into clean, organized notes. It's designed to replace your phone for capturing ideas and meetings, but we've seen promises like this before from other AI companies in the past. So does it actually work well in real life? Well, I'm here to find out for you. The Plaud AI Pin is a compact, magnetically mounted recorder powered by an AI note-taking system. Now the idea is simple. Clip it to your shirt, tap record, and let the AI automatically transcribe and summarize everything you say or hear. It's meant for students, creators, professionals, and anyone who wants hands-free note-taking without pulling out their phone. The pin itself, the magnetic back plate, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. The pin is smaller than I expected, lightweight, minimal, and surprisingly solid. The magnet is strong enough that it won't fall off even if you move around a lot. Now it also comes with a few different options and 3 colors, being cosmetic gray, lunar silver, and sunset purple. You can opt for the basic package of just the pin with a clip and the magnetic back for $159, or you can get the combo pack that comes with a very useful wrist strap or necklace strap that holds it instead of pinning it to your clothes. Now that combo starts at $199, but I wasn't sent that one to review, so I can't show you either of those accessories, but I can imagine that they're going to be extremely useful. And then there are additional subscription packages, starting with a free version that only gives you 300 transcription minutes a month. You can then opt for 1,200 minutes for $8.33 a month, or an unlimited package for $20 a month. But besides the transcription minutes, there's no difference in each of the tiers besides that. Now setup takes about a minute. You can pair the pin with the Plaud app, connect your account, and you're ready to go. Now I had to charge my device out of the box, and the app does warn you that that might happen, so just be wary that you might need to charge it before full connection. But the app is where everything happens. You can start recordings, review transcripts, edit or highlight important messages, and generate AI summaries and bullet points. Everything syncs automatically, so recordings made on the pin show up almost instantaneously on the app. The interface is clean and simple, exactly what you want from a productivity tool. Now the AI features and note summaries really is where the Plaud AI Pin really shines. After you record something, the AI automatically builds a transcript and creates a summary with key points. It can identify action items, topics, and major takeaways. Search is also fast and surprisingly accurate. You can type in any phrase and instantly find where it was said. You can also export transcripts, share summaries, or integrate them with your workflow. In my testing, the Plaud AI Pin lasted through a full day of moderate recording, but shorter if you're capturing hour-long sessions back-to-back in line with work meetings. Charging is quick, and storage isn't much of an issue because recordings sync to the cloud. The device itself doesn't hold much locally, but you'll rarely hit that limit unless you're offline all day. And if you're worried about privacy, the pin uses a small LED indicator to show when it's recording. Nothing is hidden or silent, and the app lets you delete recordings permanently, and the data is encrypted during upload and storage. All right, so what are my final pros and cons of the Plaud AI Pin? But let's start with the pros. It's very compact and easy to wear, even if you're just pinning it to your clothes with the magnetic clasp instead of having the compact wristband or the neck strap. It does have very clear recordings for how small the mic is, and fast and mostly accurate transcriptions, strong AI summaries, and a very clean and simple app design. But now for some of the cons. Battery life could be a little bit longer during heavy use, and the audio does struggle in very noisy environments. The cloud features required for the best features and accuracy, and the price may be too high for a casual user. So the Plaud AI Pin is a surprisingly capable productivity tool. It's great for interviews, meetings, classes, capturing spontaneous ideas without grabbing your phone. And if you're someone who relies heavily on notes or recordings, the Plaud Pin can genuinely save you time and help you stay organized. But if you're already someone who uses your phone for voice memos and don't need AI summaries, this might be a little more than you need. But for students, professionals, creators, or anyone who wants frictionless note-taking, this is one of the most convenient tools I've ever tested. And the best use case that I can think of would be for a company that doesn't use Teams with an automated AI built into it, who wants to use AI to create transcripts of meetings and action items or bullet points. The next would be a professor to give an outline of the day's class to go along with the PowerPoints. Another really useful use case could be a writer who wants to speak their ideas or write their book through voice and have all of that go into a note and then edited on a computer later on. Now, if you have any questions about the Plaud AI Pin or want me to compare it to other AI note-taking devices, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. And if you found this video useful, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much to Plaud for sending me this over. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.